Hello, welcome to High Tech Vibe channel. In this video I want to show you how to create a personal AI image generator. Stay with me, thank you. For this work I use a script called Fooocus Lab, and you can use and rate documents on the GitHub page. As you can see, this script works perfectly as a local AI image generator, and you can run it on the Google Colab. In the first step, you need to type exactly what I searched for in the Google and press enter. Then click on the first link. You can also use the Google Colab link provided on the GitHub script page. Once you enter the page, click on the connect button at the top and wait for the Google Colab to connect the resources. When the word connect is displayed on the left panel, click on the play, and then in the pop-up click on the run anyway. Depending on your internet speed, the model will start downloading and installing on Google Colab resources. Wait for a while until all files are downloaded. Download is complete. Finally, a special link will be displayed that you can use as your personal AI image generator. This link will remain active for as long as you keep this Google Colab page open, or even for a few hours if you close it. So click on the link and wait for the full page to load. When the page loads, click on the Advanced option at the bottom. When you click on the Advanced button, a panel on the right will appear. This panel contains settings for creating image. As you can see in the Settings tab, you can set the speed of the image creation, the number of image created, which can be adjusted with the slider, and the image format, which can be PNG or JPG. And in the second tab, which is called Style, you can choose multiple styles for your image creation. I should mention that this model has more than 50 styles for creating images, and you can also create up to 15 photos with the one prompt. And in the Settings tab, in the negative prompt section, you can specific comments that you don't want to be used in the image creation process. If you look next to the Advanced option on the bottom, you will see another option called Enhance. If you enable these options, you will see a very useful tools for enhancing image, creating image from an uploaded image, or upscaling image. In the future videos, I will cover all of these tools, and don't worry about that. Now I want to create a professional image with the professional prompt, which I optimized it with the ChatGPT. Once you have entered your prompt, click on the generate button and wait for model to start generating the images. The time for generating images may vary depending on your internet connection and the number and the styles you have selected. And interestingly, you will see a preview of the photo creation in the model. At the end, once the photo processing is complete, you can see and download your photos in the high quality. By using photo size selection panel on the right, you can create your photos in different size and dimension for social network. In the future, I will teach you how to use these tools to do things like create an AI character and continuously produce a photo with a fixed character. I'm Shah from High Tech Vibe, and if you think this video was useful for you, I would be grateful if you like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thank you.
High Tech Vibe.